Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So at the first you have to click and hold your home screen, then tap on the widgets. Here we got a couple of the widgets. For example, I'm going to set the ward clock. So click hold and then drag it to the place that you want to get it. I will get it here in this home screen, and on the another one I'm going to add Gmail. So drag it like that. I'm choosing the first account and I want to get the social information. And as you can see, here we got our widgets on the home screen, and of course you can move them. You can change position by clicking, holding, and then moving for the left, right, upper or bottom section, and also we can change the size of the widgets. So as you can see, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.